Today I want to talk about messenger bots and how to utilize them in a very simplistic way inside of your business. I'm Scott Oldford, and let's use messenger bots for intimacy instead of just automation. So if you haven't seen messenger bots yet, then really it's kind of inside of Facebook the ability to message back and forth automatically. So you can actually build these messenger bots to be able to have conversations in a simplistic way with your potential customers and your leads. Now, I actually think this is really, really good because it allows us to have the most relevant way, an omnipresent and intimate way, kind of all three principles I talk about: relevancy, omnipresence, intimacy, inside of the Facebook platform. So Facebook Messenger, this is essentially how it can work, okay? And this is how we utilize it. So we have a lead magnet and someone opts in, so they give us their email address. And then on the thank you page, we offer a secondary kind of piece of value where it's like, hey, if you also want this, click here. It connects automatically to their Facebook Messenger, and then it delivers it to inside of Facebook Messenger. From there, we can actually ask them questions of who they are, what they're all about. So in my case, it may be, how much revenue they're generating, what their biggest challenge is, what of the 6 pillars that are inside of the business, which one's the most difficult right now. Perhaps it's cash flow, perhaps it's operations, perhaps it's not being able to get enough sales, or whatever it may be. Then inside of this messenger bot, we're able to then give relevant messaging based upon what information they give to us. Now, these messenger bots are actually really easy to be able to develop, and they also allow us to be really, really, really relevant, which allows us to create intimacy. So even though it's the fact that you're not talking back and forth, it allows people in a mass way to really understand what the problem is inside of their business, and then for you to be able to message them with relevant information based upon that. So instead of somebody just opting into a guide or a webinar or whatever it may be, you can actually utilize messenger bots to allow for them to see that you are a relevant potential solution and that you have a relevant process and methodology for them. You can then be omnipresent inside of their Facebook Messenger so that you're giving them information that's then relevant to them, and then being able to scale intimate relationships in a one-to-many way, which then allows you and allows the person that as they get closer and closer to being able to make a decision to work with you, be able to reach out and have a conversation with you or your team inside of Facebook Messenger. So anyways, take a look at those Facebook Messenger bots. It's really, really, really cool. I put a resource document there for you. And I think this is something that you're definitely going to want to look into. Just as a little bit of a note, I actually sold my company that allowed for messenger bots, Bots for Business. So the resource document is attached to that company now. However, I will say messenger bots are very most definitely the future. For me, I simply needed the focus, and while I still utilize these messenger bots inside of the business, go take a look at those guys, Bots for Business, simply because of the fact that if you want to deploy them quickly and effectively, you're going to want to utilize their training and their information on how to be relevant, omnipresent, and intimate by utilizing Facebook Messenger bots. So if you enjoyed this content and you want more of it, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And if you want other entrepreneurs just like you to be able to also access this information, this knowledge, make sure you go ahead and share it with someone that means the most to you. Remember, as entrepreneurs, it's our job to be able to help other entrepreneurs continue to elevate, allowing us to evolve society and evolve our world. I'll see you next time. Bye.